In this next video, we're going to show a combination chart, which is a combination of more than one chart type. In this case, what we're going to do is we're going to be using a column chart and also a line chart. Now, in looking at the data, we have various staffing levels for the year 2015-2016 by the various departments. I've already highlighted that. So we want to show or make a comparison between 2015 and 2016. Now, one way of doing it, and this would be perfectly right, is we highlight the area that we're trying to show between A3 and C9. Click on our insert, and we could go with a plain column chart, clustered column chart. Of course, that's one way of showing the information. With a red, it's in 2016, and blue is 2015. And it does. It shows it fairly well. In most cases, you can see here where 2016 is a little bit higher than the preceding year. So that's a column chart. And of course, you would name the chart appropriately. Still, another way of doing it is by creating a combination chart. And how you could do that is by clicking within the chart, change chart type, and move down here to combo. So it's a combination of charts to show the data. Click on combo. So right here, Excel has done kind of the work for us. It's showing us what that chart is going to look like. Clustered column for 2015. A line. I'm going to go with a line with markers. It shows a little bit clearer. I could show that information on a secondary axis if you wanted to. In other words, a secondary y-axis. A lot of times you would do that if you were showing a percentage for your line. But in this case, it's fairly clear-cut. I mean, we can just go without using a secondary axis. Click OK. Once again, like it's showing 2016, like in all cases, you can see with the line that it's higher than the staffing levels used for 2015. So once again, that's a combination chart. Click here. Staffing levels. 2015 versus 2016. Next, I mean, right now this is an embedded chart, so it's showing the chart. Now, of course, I can move it down, and we will. Let's move it down. We have our cross. Hold down our left mouse, drag it down here. But a lot of times, you do not want it to be embedded. You want the chart to have its own separate sheet. Number of ways of doing that. You can click in here, and then click on Move Chart. And I mean, that's what I'm going to do. New sheet. We'll call it Staffing Levels. (2015) versus 2016. So we finally got that sheet name spelled out. Click OK. And what you see now is that you have a separate sheet for that chart that we just created. And once again, we're using a combination chart. Like, it's much clearer now when it's clearly showing how the staffing levels for 2016 in all cases is higher than the preceding year. And a lot of times when you're dealing with budgets, when you're showing actual versus projected, you would use a combination chart that would be, in many cases, a combination column chart plus a line chart. Thank you.